Good morning, I hope that you're doing great. My name is Christelle, I am French and I am in Rennes, in Brittany, in the northwest of France. So for today, the rule is pretty simple, it's going to be black and white only. I really love black and white photography. It's really windy, I hope you can hear me. I really love black and white photography, so for today I thought that I would focus on that only. So right now I'm using the Leica monochrome D mode on my Lumix S5. So I'm using that mode both for recording videos and for recording photos. I will save the photos both in RAW and in JPEG, and I would like to try to use as much as possible the JPEG photos, so like straight out of the camera. For some reason I also have square photos in mind just for today. So instead of cropping at home, I'm also directly using the 1:1 format in the camera. So there you go, it's not really more complicated than that, it's just square black and white photography. Alright, so just sit, relax and enjoy the rest of the video.